Namaskar, Hari Om. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. So today we will see that how the Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math Puri is tortured by political parties of India. As we all know, the present Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math Puri is Sri Swami Nishchalananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj, a great knower of scriptures, a realized Brahmanist Mahatma, well respected and honored in India as well as outside India, a great scholar of Vedic mathematics, whose advices are taken by NASA, ISRO, scientists from all over world. Even World Bank takes his advice on economics. This great Mahapurush is traveling length and breadth of India in car, in bus, in second class, in third AC, by train, sometime by bus, all over India, with a vision of Akhand Bharat, with a vision of Vedic Bharat, okay, with a vision of Hindu Bharat. So now let us see how the political parties are torturing this great Mahapurush. In 1992, the Ramalaya Trust was made by Narsingh Rao ji. In that trust, there was one clause that in front of mandir, in the near, there will be masjid. So Swamiji means Shankaracharya said that this clause is not acceptable. So he did not sign. Because he did not sign, Narsingh Rao got angry on him, and then lots of attempts were made on his life. He was tried to be kidnapped also. Swamiji has told all these things in many of his talks in front of camera also. And then all these political parties, Congress, Samajwadi parties, they created one false Shankaracharya, Some Swamiji was brought in and declared that this is the Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math Puri. Now the real Shankaracharya ji, Sri Swami Nishchalananda Maharaj, is there since many years, since last 40 years. And this person after 1992 is being declared as the Shankaracharya of Govardhan Math Puri. And all the political parties are kind of involved in it, it seems, because nowadays since last 10-15 years, BJP government is there, and Swamiji has told many times that please, sir, arrest the Nakli Shankaracharyas, the false Shankaracharya. But even BJP government has not arrested Nakli Shankaracharya. That means no government is there for the Hindus, Hindus are on the mercy of only Ram. No party is, trustable. So the present government was expected to arrest, but they are not arresting the false Shankaracharya. Instead of arresting, they are promoting the Nakli Shankaracharya as the Shankaracharya of Puri outside India. Recently, Nakli Shankaracharya went to Malaysia and he was declared as the Shankaracharya of Puri by the government of India, and he is given 4 gunmen. What is this? So the real Shankaracharya ji, Swami Nishchalananda Saraswati Ji Maharaj, is very angry with all these things. He says that, can you imagine a false pope or a false preacher of Muslim dharma? No. Then how can the greatest dharma guru of Hindus can be treated in this manner? How can government, suddenly take out some person and declare him as Shankaracharya? And even after 15-20 years of protests, the governments are not arresting Nakli Shankaracharya. In each and every street of India, many Swamis are claiming themselves to be Shankaracharya. Actually, only 4 Shankaracharya are there and 4 mathas are there. Bhagwan Adi Shankaracharya ji has established Mathamnaya, the constitution of Shankaracharya Math. According to that Mathamnaya, Chatvarah Pitah, Chatvarah Acharya. There should be 4 matha and 4 acharya for each pith. Okay. In each and every village nowadays, people are claiming themselves to be Shankaracharya, and government of India is supporting Nakli Shankaracharya. This is very wrong. So each and every Hindu should know about this injustice and insult to our greatest Dharma Guru, and from on behalf of all the Hindus, we tell all the governments to please arrest the Nakli Shankaracharya's. Okay, and please share this video to all those people who support the truth. Thank you very much. Hari Om, Namaskar, Hari Om Tat Sat.